We'll guide you through how to give yourself OP in Minecraft. If you guys find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, ringing the bell icon and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. For example, if I wanted to summon something right here, / summon space, let's try to summon an arrow. If we press enter, nothing will be summoned because we do not have the operator privileges. But after I'm done teaching you guys how to give yourself the OP role, you guys will be able to summon, ban, kick, teleport, and do many more things. Firstly, I'm going to open the folder in which I have my computer server. So I'm just going to run it and start up my server. There we go, the server will now start up. This is a paper server, so the command box will look something like this. However, if you're using a vanilla server, the command box will be all white, but it will mostly be the same. Before we go any further, a huge thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Apex Hosting. Apex Hosting provides lag-free, customizable servers ready in just minutes. You can host your adventures right now. They provide a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support, and automated backups. I personally use it alongside my friends. It has been fantastic for us. Installing mod packs, giving commands, customizing the experience. It has never been as seamless as this. So please check out Apex Hosting in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Now, before I show you how to give yourself OP on your computer server, let's go to the same position in our hosting platform in case you want to give yourself OP in a hosting platform. So just pop open your browser. I personally host my servers on Apex Hosting. That is apexminecrafthosting.com. Okay, so when you're on your hosting platform, you can just go to the panel where your server is located. There we go. My server is named GuideRealm, so I'm just going to click that open. And once it's open, we can stop it real quick so it doesn't interfere with anything that's going on with the server. And once we're here, we simply need to go to the console, which is located on the top left-hand side here. Open up the console, and you will be greeted with this server console, which will load up in a second, just like this. And this acts as the same panel as the server that you have on your computer. So we need to put in a command over here and a command over here. Both of the commands are exactly the same. They are just OP space your username on Minecraft. In my case, it's this. So I'm just going to put that in. And then you can press send, and there we go. Run command OP and then the username, and that means that I will be given OP. Same thing we should do over here, OP space my username. And there we go, I've just gone ahead and done it on my computer server as well. I was first typing in the OP in all caps and it did not register the command. It says unknown or incomplete command, but when I did it in all small letters, it actually is now completed. It says made the username a server operator. So we've done both of these things. However, if you want to learn how to make your own computer server for Minecraft, or how to set up your own hosting platform server, we have separate videos on both of those topics on our channel, so make sure to check those out. Now let's head into Minecraft to check out what we can actually do with this privilege. So let's just hit on play. Once we're in the game, we can just click on multiplayer, click on proceed, and then add a server, which is already added here, but for the sake of this video, we can add a server, name it whatever we want, for example, GuideRealm. And then the server address, as long as the server is being hosted on our computer, is going to be localhost. So just type in localhost, click done, and there is a server identical to this one. However, if you're using a hosting platform, the server address is not going to be localhost. It's actually going to be mentioned right here under the IP address section, which is this. You can simply copy this and paste it in your game server address. So let's head into a server and see what we can actually do with our operator privileges. Here we are inside the game. We can simply click on // and then we can type in our commands. A few things that we could do to make peace in the server is ban someone. So we could write ban, and then you can choose whoever you want to ban. Another thing we could do is kick. We could kick someone. All you have to do is write kick space the username of the person that you're trying to kick. Another thing we could do is type in game mode, and then we could change the game mode from adventure to creative. We could spectate or go into survival, and we won't have to back out of the game. We could just do it instantly. This one is actually pretty cool. We could write / summon, and we can summon things right in front of us. For example, let's go ahead and summon a bamboo raft. Click that in, and then we have to press enter. And we just summoned a new bamboo raft. It actually landed right on top of us, and we're sitting inside it. It's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and summon something else. We could write in summon space. Let's summon an arrow. We could do that, press enter, and then we have an arrow right here. We could also TP stuff, so we can write /TP space, and we can TP any player to our location if they can't find the way to us, or if they have gotten eliminated and they've spawned in the middle of nowhere, we could always TP a player to our position. Of course, as there's no one else in the server, I won't be able to show this to you guys right now. I'm getting attacked by all these mobs, so I just want to quickly change the game mode to creative so I don't get attacked anymore. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm just going to press enter, and now the game mode is set to creative. I know it's a bit of a cheat, but I don't want to get blown up by a creeper or bitten by a spider. Anyways, that's been it for this video, guys. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, please let us know in the comment section. Leave a like on this video. Thank you very much for watching, and peace.